Elsewhere in Europe, the number of daily new infections of coronavirus is starting to rise again. Germany, France and Greece have all reported record numbers of post-lockdown infections. Spain, one of the most affected countries early this year, is again setting up field hospitals. And now in Brussels, mask wearing is now mandatory in all public areas. Evelyn Laverick tells us more.
It's a sight many had hoped not to see again, a field hospital being set up to treat COVID-19 patients. This one is in Zaragoza in Spain. The country is top of the list in Western Europe's infection surge. Health experts say they're at a point where things can get better or worse, the hospital's being prepared just in case. As Germany warned against non-essential trips to parts of Spain, it recorded its own biggest daily increase in coronavirus cases in more than 3 months, over 1,200. Officials said the rise was due in part to people returning from holidays. Meanwhile, schools are reopening amid arguments over whether children must wear masks in class.
From our point of view, it is particularly justified to wear masks. It's a good thing, because then you can protect yourself and others. But it's also important that you feel comfortable when you do this in class, which has also now been proposed.
Greece has registered its highest number of new infections since the pandemic began, over 260, and it's part of a steadily rising trend this month. Its public health organisation also said 2 more people had died, bringing the total virus death toll to 216. The authorities have blamed the spike in infections on the flouting of social distancing rules in restaurants, bars and public gatherings. And in the UK, there's been a reduction by over 5,000 in the number of deaths from the virus, but it's due to the method of counting. Previously, people in England who died at any point following a positive test, regardless of cause, were counted in the figures. But there will now be a cut-off of 28 days, providing a more accurate picture of the epidemic. Evelyn Laverick, Euronews.